Welcome to WebStylePlus. In this video, I will show you how to show hidden files and folders on Windows. So this is a file and a folder. If I right click on file and click properties, selecting hidden and pressing OK will make it disappear. Similar for the folder, properties, hidden, apply, OK. And the folder is gone. So to view these hidden files and folders, from the File Explorer, click Options and select Change Folder and Search options. Click View and then select Show Hidden Files and Folders and Drives. Apply, OK. And these are hidden files and folders. These are hidden but visible now. You can also bring up this option from here. Press Window button on keyboard. Type File Explorer Options. Click File Explorer Options and it will bring up same box. Click View and select Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Click Apply and OK. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.